The first question is, where did old Mother Hubbard look for a bone? The correct answer is C, cupboard. Question 2. In a 2011 single, Maroon 5 claimed to have moves like which member of the Rolling Stones? The correct answer is A, Mick Jagger. Question 3. What disease is traumatic amongst dogs? The correct answer is C, rabies. Question 4. What are the ball-shaped decorations that go on a Christmas tree called? The correct answer is D, ornaments. Question 5. 3 of what hilly city's neighborhoods include Nob Hill, Russian Hill, and Telegraph Hill? The correct answer is C, San Francisco. Question 6. Put these European countries in size order, starting with the largest. The correct answer is D, Russia. Question 7. What is a frittata? The correct answer is C, an Italian omelet. Question 8. Complete the Beatles' hit song title, Hello? The correct answer is A, Goodbye. Question 9. When Jeff Jeffries thinks he sees a murder in a nearby building in Hitchcock's rear window, why doesn't he go over and check it out himself? The correct answer is C. He has a broken leg. And the last question is, in what year was the Woodstock Festival held? The correct answer is D, 1969. I hope you enjoyed this quiz and make sure to share your score in the comments.
Please subscribe and press the bell to get notified about our newest quizzes.